Did you know that your sneeze can travel at a mind-boggling 100 miles per hour? Seriously, think about that for a second. When you let out a big achoo, you're launching a tiny spray of droplets that moves faster than a cheetah. It's pretty incredible, right? These droplets can travel up to 26 feet away. That's like the length of a really, really big car. This is why it's so important to cover your mouth when you sneeze. You are basically launching a tiny, high-speed biomissile. So next time you feel a tickle in your nose, remember the sheer power you're about to unleash. If you found that interesting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts. I'll see you in the next one.